Why? Music.
So today's going to be a review on this hair that I received from Amazon. Yes, Amazon. I personally did not even know Amazon sold hair until they reached out to me to do an honest review for this video. So let's talk about the hair a little bit and the packaging. By the way, sorry about the background music. I live in New York. It's always so much noise. Do you guys hear the rain? Now it starts to rain. Honestly, I'm happy about the rain because now people could go home. Anyways, so right now I'm going to show you guys the clip of how the hair came exactly out the package, out the box, and everything. So yeah, watch this. So my package arrived inside of a regular Amazon box. The shipping took about 4 days, which is understandable because of the pandemic. Inside of the box, it comes with like this plastic to protect the hair. And then the hair also comes inside of another plastic along with a duffel bag, which is always nice to have because now I have something to store the hair in when I'm not using it. Now it comes with eyelashes, which is nice. A book, like not really a book, like a brochure, how to take care of hair and how it looks on other people, and a wig cap, which is nice, so now I don't have to buy one. This is the hair straight out the package. The plastic comes with like this white thing with like a net around it to keep it in one spot. And then this is the hair texture itself. And then in a few, I'm gonna give you guys just a look at the lace. I want you guys to take a really good look at the lace. The lace was okay. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. But as you guys can see, you can use your best judgment and decide if you want to purchase it or not. So, as you guys can see, that was everything that came inside of the box when I received the hair. It was like standard hair pretty much. So I don't really have nothing bad to say about the packaging and how the hair came or anything like that. The hair that I have right now is a 20H frontal full lace wig. Its hair and length retails for about $128, $120, $130, which is honestly like a steal for a 20-inch hair, a full lace wig. Do you guys hear this rain? I'm so sorry. Like, if I don't do this video now, I'm never doing it, so bear with me. I did dye the hair jet black. Like, now my new thing is dyeing my hair jet black. I really like the black look. It's really, really cute. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So I dyed my hair jet black. I made it into a side part, and I cut it. The hair stops about like right here. I don't want to show you guys too much. So the hair stops around like at my, you know, boob area. It is 150 density. And so yeah, that's pretty much the basics on this hair. Do I recommend the hair? Hell yeah. For $130, a 20-inch wig, I definitely recommend it. It took the hair, it took the color. I didn't really color it too much. I colored it black, but it took that great. You know, the texture is so nice, and all of that. Also, I'm gonna show you guys a clip of like me installing the hair. The little bit of clips that I do have, I'm gonna roll in the clip right now of me installing it and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this hair review, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is how the hair looks once again. It's a really nice quality. Don't mind my edges, you guys. I don't really do edges on my wigs. I really wanted to try it though for this hair. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys have any other video requests you guys want me to make, please make sure to leave them down below. And if you are a company that want to send me anything, my email is always in the description box. And yeah, for my subscribers, follow me on Instagram. Why aren't you following me on Instagram? I post daily on there. I respond to everybody. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, this is my 100% honest review on this hair, because usually I don't even buy hair from people. I have my own vendor, so when I do people hair, I use my vendor's hair, and when I install hair on myself, it's always from my vendor. But yeah, Amazon is really stepping up their game, guys. They have literally everything. So this is an Amazon brand hair, not Amazon itself. The hair name is right here. I forgot the name of it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Leave any comments down below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.